Installing a wall cabinet can be done in 5 easy steps. You can begin by marking a level point with a laser or a 4-foot level. We are looking for the high point. You get that by measuring along the wall in different points, and your smallest measurement will be your high point. Now that you found your high point, go ahead and mark it on the wall and adjust your laser or level to that point. Standard height is normally always around 54 inches. Go ahead and mark the width of your cabinet so you can start looking for the studs that will support it. I found the first stud, so then I measured 16 inches to the left of it to locate the next one. Next, go ahead and measure from the right wall to the center of your stud to transfer those markings to the cabinet. The easiest way to transfer those measurements is to mark them on the frame of your cabinet, then on the inside. Now that we know where the studs are, go ahead and pre-drill a hole for each stud, one top and one bottom. To help you hold it against the wall while you screw it, you can use a third hand tool as shown, or a 2x4 cut to size will work as well. When you're close to your level line, go ahead and put one screw on it. Make sure you are perfect on your line to keep your cabinet plumb and level. Keep a ladder handy so you can put in the rest of the top screws. The laser line was showing me that the front bottom part of the cabinet was not touching it anymore, so the top back side of the cabinet needs to come out, so I'm putting a shim behind it. Now you can go ahead and add in your shelf clips. Just make sure you have an even space between them. What I'm doing now is adjusting the doors if your hinges allow it, level and plumb. And for the rest of the cabinets, you can keep repeating the same process and staying on your level line. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more, please let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe.